Oh no, not again.
Hi all. Okay, we're repairing my weed eater. I drug it on the ground too much and chewed up the cap. See, that's the cap that goes on the bottom that holds the thread, and this spring goes on there, and I use goop on it, and I was gonna glue another piece of plastic to it, and I delegated the job to the expert over here. I figured she could handle that, and she come up with this piece here, and we thought instead of gluing it, we'd just screw it on, right? And then this would drag on the ground so it doesn't chew up the main cap. Now I was thinking, since we're gonna just screw that on, I'll just do it with a piece of wood. So I think that'll work real good. It won't interfere with the clips on the side, and it won't interfere with the spring, because the spring goes here.
And if there's a way to anchor it, you could anchor it so it'll go around instead of getting chewed up on the ground.
So even one piece of wood will last a long time.
You got a whole mess of them.
Yeah. It won't move. It's not gonna spin or nothing. It's just gonna be anchored on here.
It'd be all right if it did go move and go around, because then it won't get chewed up so much.
Well, if we left it a little loose, then the nut would come loose and it would fall off. So, okay, so there's a cheap, easy fix for your weed eater. Okay, see ya. Bye.